The main source of income for a business is operating income. Operating income refers to the purpose of the business. What does the business do? Does the business sell goods or does it provide a service? Depending on the purpose, you get your operating income. It's the main source of income, so that is what the business will rely on to survive. It is obtained by operating or running the business. In term 1, you learned about 3 different types of businesses: a trading business, a manufacturing business, and services. These businesses earn their operating income in different ways. A trading business will earn their money from selling goods. These goods they bought from manufacturers or suppliers. They did not make the goods themselves, like supermarkets and clothing stores. A manufacturing business also earns money by selling goods, but these goods they produced or manufactured themselves. Examples include bakeries, clothing and car manufacturers. Service businesses, they earn their operating income by providing a service to customers. Customers pay a fee for these services rendered. Examples include lawyers, plumbers, accountants, etc. The operating income of a trading business will then be sales. The operating income for a manufacturing business will also be sales, but the operating income for a service will be fees. Interest income is extra money you earn by having money saved up somewhere or put away. You will receive interest if you have a favorable bank account, which means you have money in the bank. You will also receive interest on investments or fixed deposit. That means it's money that you have set aside or invested in a company or at a bank, and you earn interest per month, depending on the interest rate. Then you can also receive interest on outstanding and overdue accounts of credit customers. Remember, if you owe money, it's a liability, and then you have to pay interest to whomever you are owing money. But if you have a business and your customers owe you money, then you can charge them interest, which means they owe you 5,000 Rand, you charge them 500 Rand interest, and they have to pay you 5,500 Rand. So you earn an extra 500 Rand, which is then interest. We now get to the last type of income, other income. Other income is not typed with green, like all the other headings. Why? Because other income can be divided into 4 categories. So remember, we start with operating income. Then we have interest income. And then lastly, other income. But other income is divided into 4. We start with rent. Rent income is when you own a property that you are renting out to someone. So they pay you a fee per month because they are using your property. Discount. Discount is when you buy something for a cheaper price. So you would usually pay 10 Rand for a bread. Now you receive 5 Rand discount. So you only pay 5 Rand. Your profit margin and selling price is still the same. So you actually earn 5 Rand extra per bread because of the discount you received. So by receiving a discount, you are actually saving money and indirectly earning an income. You can also receive a discount for prompt payments of accounts. Commission is when you sell product on behalf of another business or person. So it's not your own product, but you are promoting it in your store, and the manufacturer of that product then pays you a commission for selling the products for them. Estate agents is a very good example of people who receive commission. They receive commission on each property that they sell. They then receive a percentage of the money that the person who buys the house pays. The last example of other income is donations. Donations are things you get for free. You can either receive money donations or goods. Any donations mean it is money that you don't have to pay. You are saving money, and it can be classified as an income. You have 6 types of income businesses receive. Number 1, operating income. Number 2, interest income. Number 3, rent income. Number 4, discount. Number 5, commission. And number 6, donations. Not all businesses will receive these types of income. They all have an operating income, and then it depends on the type of business or the owner if they have more income possibilities.